Hello everyone, this is Emma from Popboxss. So today we are going to open the Heaven of 9 levels. This one is going to be a Skull Panda. We have a 400%, also 1000%. So today we are going to open about 400%. So you can see for about the whole package, it's going to be the golden color. It's really amazing, right? So let's unbox this one. So nice. So open the button here. Already sold. You can see, oh my god, here we have the card here. So let's open to see what the number of the baby here. So let's see what is inside here. Here's the envelope. I think this one gonna be the identification of this one. Oh my god, it's so exquisite, honey. Look at this one, so gorgeous. And you can see for the color scheme, it's the same color with the outer packaging here. They are all the same. The same color. I've got golden and black color. Let's take the baby out here. I'm super excited for this one. So let's check what is inside here. Okay, so let's take off this baby out here. Oh my god, look at this beautiful baby. I think I already saw those beautiful patterns through the package here. So, and I think this one gonna be the back side. So let's show about the front side here, and let's take out this one. I think this one is well protected through those packaging here. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this one. And also I think it's not heavy when I take off this one. Okay, let me show the beautiful baby. Everyone look at here. Oh my god, she's so amazing. Really a piece of artwork right here, right? And also I think this one is not heavy, it's super light. And also it's a plastic one, I think, for the material. And also, do you saw those food here? It's a hollow one. So compared to other version, this one's so special. And even for the whole baby here, there's many exquisite pattern here. Even for the foot here, also with about the head, also with the ear right here. All the baby here, they all have those amazing art piece right here. They all have those amazing pattern here. I think this one can be taken off, yeah. So you can see, you can take off the helmet here. And also, oh my god, look at this amazing makeup here. I really love the golden line. I really love the golden eyelines here. It's creative about the mysterious elements here. And also for the hair here, do you saw those amazing pattern here? And also really, full of artistic elements here. And also, do you saw those amazing pattern here? You know, I heard that one, the creator combines about 9 animals, ranging from the birds, also with the fish together. Do you saw those animals here? Yes, that is super amazing. And you can see for the baby's hands, it can be movable. Also with the head, with the hand here. Okay, let me show you. So move the hand. Also right here, move the head here. Oh, that's so nice. For here, I saw there's some sign of the artistic here. Do you saw this one? It's also really amazing for the whole baby here. They are super gorgeous, even with the whole baby. And also when I hold this one, I just feel like I'm holding an art piece right here. So this one gonna be the 400%, and also with the 1000%. So I even can't imagine how beautiful will the 1000 baby be like there. So if you also want to get this one, everyone, if you like it, type on the comments. And next time, if you want me to show you other piece, you can tell me. Type on the comments. I will help you to check about that one. So everyone, see you next time. Bye bye.